Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm your host, Dr. Nav, and today is one of the most exciting moments of my life. We just got this in the mail. This is the YouTube Silver Creator Award for hitting 100,000 subscribers, and this moment's all about you guys. It wouldn't be possible if 170,000 of you didn't click that subscribe button. Whether you've been a long-time subscriber or just recently joined the channel, comment below. Let me know how you came across our channel. I would absolutely love to find that out, and it would really make my day. I wanted to unpack this with you guys so we could share this moment, so let's go ahead and get into it. For the official unpacking, I got my hefty scissors here. All right, check this out, dude. So congratulations on subscriber milestone. We are honored to take a part in recognizing your achievement. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Shout out to Rick for making this moment possible. Look at this. This is so cool. And so it says, do you remember your first subscriber, your 100th, your 1,000th? Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subs with your Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. And this is the CEO of YouTube, Neil Mohan. Very, very cool. Check this thing out, man. So I don't know if you could read this. It actually has my name on it. It says, congratulations for passing 100,000 subscribers. This award symbolizes a lot to me. I have next to me, this is my diploma from UCLA. I recently graduated fellowship from there, and I was kind of thinking about what this symbolizes to me, the YouTube Creator Award versus, graduating med school, residency, and fellowship. And I have to be real, this YouTube award is equally as important as graduating from med school, residency, and fellowship. And when you combine it together, you can provide a lot of medical education through this platform and create an impact that's worldwide. One example I would say is how I've integrated the YouTube interface into my clinical practice. For example, if I have a patient who has hypertension and I want to counsel them on hypertension, I'll share with them a YouTube video I made about why your doctor cares about heart health. And that's something that they can look into while they're away from the clinic as well. The integration of the YouTube platform into my clinical practice is just one example of how powerful this platform is for physician educators and for other educators on this platform. This all started during a day where I was meditating by the ocean in my first year of med school, and I was falling in love with medical science. And since I'm from an Eastern background, my mother indirectly taught me certain types of curiosity with learning, one that could root itself back to the connectedness of all things. So as I began learning about the human body system, I began connecting to the Earth's ecosystem and the solar system and how all these things play a role in human health. I was inspired by this intelligent design all around us and within us, and I wanted to designate a space to share how incredibly, almost magical medical science can be. And the next thing you know, MEDspiration. One of the most gratifying things I would say is as we grew, we started a nonprofit sector. It's because of you guys we were able to go to South Africa and do a clean water mission and provide water for those who didn't have access to it. And that's one of my greatest memories along this way, along with how much MEDspiration helped me through med school, through residency, through fellowship. I was able to stay dedicated because I was able to connect with some of my greatest heroes through this platform, and it wouldn't have been possible if it didn't grow because of you guys. So I really just want to take this second to say thank you. I know I didn't have the opportunity to thank every single person that's helped make this moment possible. That's why I decided to make this carousel of gratitude, to make sure that I pay gratitude to all the beautiful humans that have helped make this moment possible. And last but not least, special shout out to my mother, Jagir Kaur, for being the original MEDspiration. Special shout out to my older sister, who's always been a guiding force in my life. She's a registered nurse, and she is one of the most important parts of my life. And of course, my beautiful wife. She's also my colleague. She's a physician, and she has put up with all those late nights where I've been working on producing something as opposed to spending quality time together. And she's always been there supporting me along the way, and I can't tell you how much that means to me. Guys, this is just the beginning. I'm so grateful that we've gotten to this point, but onward and upward, there's going to be even more growth coming. If you made it this far in this video, you must really be a real subscriber. Give this video a huge thumbs up. If I left out anybody in this gratitude video, please forgive forgive me. I did not do that on purpose. I'm just truly filled with gratitude today. Here's to many more in honor of advancing the human potential, improving the quality of life, and raising the consciousness. I really do pray that I continue to bind my soul to my work and create things that'll benefit mankind even long after I'm gone. That's one of the things about MEDspiration, is doing this to educate the world about how inspiring medical science is and just how marvelous it can be. This is our prize. This is us together. I love you. Thank you.